Hey, B for Rent here. It was a beautiful night on May the 21st of 2019, somewhere around the midnight hour. Jupiter was out, and I had just gotten a new telescope and all the stuff to slap my camera to it. I didn't know it at the time, but it was a perfect night for looking at planets. Usually, the atmosphere makes them wobble from the mirage effect. So I figured, now's my chance. Let's go get some pictures. How hard can it possibly be? Yeah, that's the spirit. Oh, I'd better learn how to focus. That rotted porch makes breathing seem like an earthquake. Getting better. A little overexposed, maybe? Ooh, too far. Is that a moon shadow? Not too bad. Where'd the moons go? That's about as good as we can get. Or is it? The best planetary images are plucked from the frames of videos. Using the video from earlier, I sliced, diced, and ninja chopped that video into a tasty smoothie for the imaging software to process. This software is kinda twitchy and has a bit of a learning curve, not to mention the difficulty of getting the video to begin with. Seeing conditions, clouds, knowing when things are in opposition, even focusing can be a hassle if you have a cheapy scope like me. One good thing about Jupiter is that it's bright enough that light pollution simply doesn't affect it. So after a little bit of processing, you can see two of the moon. Hey, stop that! Yeah, two of the moons. Right there and there. This was my image from 2019, which took me hours to process. And eventually, I even got the Great Red Spot. I'm B for Rent, and I'll see you later.